Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix ChatGPT login problem on Windows. So if you're unable to log into ChatGPT, facing sign-in errors or login page is not working, just follow these simple fixes. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or Ethernet is connected and then try logging in again. Next, restart your browser. For that you need to completely close your browser and then try opening it again. The other thing you can do is clear your browser cache and cookies. For that you need to open your browser settings, tap on privacy and security, select delete browsing data and then press on delete data. If the issue still continues, try using another browser or open ChatGPT in incognito mode. Sometimes browser extension or settings can interfere with the login process. Lastly, restart your computer and try again. This can refresh your system and solve temporary login issue. So those were some easy ways to fix ChatGPT login problem on Windows. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.